Sri Guruvya Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.2. See the 13th sum. Before we already seen about the probability, mass function and cumulative distribution. See here, third sum, find the probability, mass function and cumulative distribution function of number of girl child in families with 4 children. See, each and every family has 4 children. Both boys and girls are there. So you have to find out x can take the random variable of a girl child. Assuming equal probabilities for boys and girls. So what is the sample space? See, 4 children are there. Find the number of girls. Boys and girls are two terms. Boys and girls. That is the two sides. So 2 power 4. Sample space is nothing but what? Sample space. Sample space. Sample space equal to 4 children. Boys and girls are two sides. Boys and girls are 2 power 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the value is equal to 16. So the sample space is nothing but 16. Now we are going to denote the x can be denote the number of girls. Let x denote the number of girls. Denote the number of girls. Number of girls. See, what are the possible values we can take it for x? X equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2, and x equal to 3, x equal to 4. See, what are the possible values x can take? X equal to 0. 0 means no girls. 1 means only one girl. 2 means two girls, and 3 girls, and 4 girls. See here, x of 0. X of 0 means no girls. That 4 children are boys, only boys. B. Let I can denote the boys as B and girls as G. See, x of 1. 4 families are there. See here. So, G, girl, boy, 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 or otherwise boy, girl, boy, boy. So, you can write down the possibilities. Boy, boy, girl, boy, or boy, 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 girl. See here, x of 2. X of 2 means two girls are there. X of 2, it's nothing but what? Two girls. So what are the possibilities we are having? See here, girl, girl, boy, boy. Likewise, you can write boy, boy, girl, girl, or girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, or boy, girl. So we it has a possibilities. Probability is nothing but a possibilities only. Then boy, girl, girl, boy, or girl, boy, boy, girl. See, next one is x of 3. X of 3 means 3 girls are there. X of 3 equal is nothing but what? 3 girls. Boy, girl, 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 or girl, 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 boy, or you will write girl, boy, girl, girl, or girl, girl, boy, girl. So what is the last chance? X of 4. 4 girls are there. X of 4. 4 is nothing but what? All the 4 families are 4 children are girls. Girl, 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 girl. So the probabilities are is given by the probabilities. The probabilities is given by x of 0. The probabilities is given by x of 0 equal to x of 0. P of x of 0 equal to 1 by P of x of 0 equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16. P of x of 1 equal to x equal to 1 equal to how many terms are there? See, how many elements are there? 4 elements. So 4 by 16. 4 by 16. P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. See here, how many elements are there? X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 16. 6 by 16, or you will cancel the values. You will write 3 by 8 also. Next, P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. 4 by 16. P of x equal to 4, because x can take the random variable 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 by 16. Now we are going to write the probability mass function. Probability mass function. Probability mass function. Probability mass function equal to probability mass function. You can draw the tabular column. See, x equal to x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. P of x equal to x. P of x equal to x. It gives 1 by 16 and 1 means 4 by 16 and 2 6 by 16, or you cancel and write 3 by 8 also. 4 by 16. See, if the denominator is same, it is easy to do the calculation part. 4 by 16 and 1 by 16. 1 by 16. You can draw the tabular column for the probability mass function. You can draw the tabular column for the probability mass function. Now you move on to the cumulative distribution function. What is cumulative distribution function? You can add the values. You can add the values of the probability mass function. Probability mass function. See here, x equal to x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Probability cumulative distribution function, either you can write P of capital X less than or equal to X, or you mention as f of X. F of X, capital F of X, or P of capital X less than or equal to X. There, P of X for her probability mass function, you mentioned as P of X equal to X. Here, cumulative distribution function, capital F of X or P of capital X less than or equal to X. Here, P of capital X equal to X or F of X, small f of X. Okay. Now you can add 0 means 1 by 16. Then 1 means you can add 1 plus 4, 5 by 16. 1 by 16, 5 by 16. 1 means 5 by 16. Then you can add all the three values. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11 by 16. 11 by 2 means 11 by 16. Then 3. 11 plus 4, 15 by 16. 15 by 16. Then 15 by 16 plus 15 by 16 plus last one value is what? 1. 1 by 15 plus 1 is 16 by 16. So the value is equal to 1. The value is equal to 1. This is cumulative distribution function. See the fourth sum. Suppose a discrete random variable can only takes the value 0, 1 and 2. What is the probability? Mass function is defined by f of x equal to x square plus 1 by k. For x can takes the value 0, 1, 2 and otherwise. See, we know that what is the formula for probability mass function? Sigma x can takes the value minus infinity to plus infinity f of x equal to 1. But here 0 otherwise. So sigma x equal to 0 to infinity f of x equal to 1. F of x equal to 1. So if x equal to 0, f of x equal to f of 0 equal to, if x equal to 0, you substitute the value here 0 plus 1 by k. 0 square plus 1 by k. So the value is equal to 1 by k. If x equal to 1, if x equal to 1, so f of 1 equal to 1 square plus 1 by k. So f of 1 equal to 2 by k. F of 1 equal to 2 by k. Next, if x equal to 2, if x equal to 2, that is f of 2 equal to 2 square plus 1 by k, it gives what? 4 plus 1, 5 by k. 4 plus 1, 5 by k. So what is the value of k? What is the value of k? The value of k is, the value of k is, the value of k, sigma 0 to x can takes the value 0 to infinity f of 0 plus f of 1 plus sigma 0 to infinity f of x equal to 1. F of x equal to f of x equal to 1, that is f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of 2 equal to 1. So what is the value? 1 by k plus 2 by k plus 5 by k equal to 1. 8 by k equal to 1. What is the value of 8? What is the, sorry, what is the value of k? K equal to 8. K can takes the value 8. So now you are going to write the probability mass function. 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 So x can takes the value 0, 1, 2. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, and p of x equal to x. F of 0 equal to 1 by k. 1 by k, k value equal to 8. K value equal to 8. 1 by k. Then 1 equal to 2 by k. 2 by 8. 2 equal to 5 by 8. So this is probability mass function. You can draw the tabular column. Can draw the tabular column. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, and 5 by 8. Next, probability cumulative function, cumulative distribution function. Cumulative means I told you it is a addition of. See here, see probability mass function is x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, p of x equal to 1 by 8, 2 by 8, and 5 by 8. Then probability cumulative distribution function. Cumulative cumulative distribution function is cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution or distribution function equal to x can takes the value x, capital X, or capital F of x, or you will write or p of capital X less than or equal to x. So 0, 1 by 8. 1, you can add the values. 1 plus 2 is 3 by 8. And 2, you can add all the three values. What is that? 3 plus 5 is 8 by 8. 8 by 8 equal to 1. So here also you can draw the tabular column. Draw the tabular column and do the calculation, cumulative distribution. What is the next one? P of x greater than or equal to 1. Usually the total probability value is 1. If greater than or equal to 1 means you can write 2, or otherwise you will write, see here, 1 minus P of x greater than or equal to 1, or you can choose it as x less than 1, x less than 1, 1 minus p of x. If it is equal to sign is there, you don't write equal to sign in the right hand side. So it gives 1 minus p of x less than 1. P of x less than 1, it's nothing but what? P of x equal to 0. So 1 minus what is the value of p of x equal to 0? 1 by 8. 1 by 8. X equal to 0 is nothing but 1 by 8. Now you can take the LCM. 8 minus 1 by 8, the value is P of x greater than or equal to 1 equal to 7 by 8. 7 by 8. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.